Hello, this is my um, final project I've worked on. A little bit of background. I proposed an idea of a continuation of my midterm project. As you see, that is basically the launch screen of my midterm project. Um, and I wanted it just to be an updated version. Like the original midterm project was just a usually navigation view is a list of musical inspirations that I found throughout the years, and also I kind of combined with the jukebox assignment a little bit. But as you can see, like past this, there's a lot more polish to the app. And just to introduce it, open up here, a little bit of a drop down animation, and then get here. Big improvement over the other app is that I'm using an image carousel that kind of shows an image with the signature of the artist separated to different categories. What's really cool is I found a font that mimicked kind of like a natural cursive handwriting. And I thought it gave it kind of a cool spin, like almost like they're like trading cards or something. Um, First time I actually imported a font that way, and it was actually super easy. You just drop it into the font book that's in like applications and stuff, and it's really super easy to set that up. Um, and then I just made a custom color that's a bright red that I put into my assets group that I use to kind of give it some continuity to the project. As you can see, it's not infinite, but kind of scroll through there, and then each one is click on the card, and it has a little blurb and a little icon up there. It's all like that. And then my biggest feature that I'm really proud of is a music player that also skips songs. Gives a little 30-second blurb of the songs, and then you can skip them. And it does that in a loop. It took me a while to find someone to explain to me how you do looping, um, because it's different from what our psychedelic sound machine is where you click on the actual, like as a button and play the song and use these as a player, but this is just like almost like a little jukebox. And then you can see the other ones are similar, just different categories, give it a little flair. Really proud of how this signature came out. I think it gives it a nice touch. A little bit from each. Same thing over here. Knock. Mouse is a made man. So to go into kind of the project, more of the project is that I have a music player, and I had a bass one that I used, and then I made three different ones in order to keep the songs separated, and then they're all labeled as such. So this right here is actually the skip function. As far as it's not a play or pause function, it's built in. You have to actually kind of write it out like a math equation. Um, and so I can add more songs by changing this numeral to 4, or like however many songs I want it, and it'll just add as many as I want to it as the player. And it uses AV-Kit and not AV Foundation. I think AV-Kit's an older version of AV Foundation, but you could still use it in Xcode 12. So yeah, I have here um, some different the music players and stuff, and then this is the two different views that I used for the projects. So yeah, and also this is I imported this for the background colors. So I use this as a kind of just a base blanket thing for um, the music players, but I didn't end up actually using these colors because I didn't think they fit that well. So yeah, and then each one is separated into different views. I put everything in folders just to make everything kind of match up. So yeah, that's my project. Feeling pretty good about it. So yeah, thank you.